Alright, welcome back to the Lost Begotten's 10 plus year old sketchpad of science, where we are looking at a conceptualized, theoretical type cutaway drawing with some cigarette ashes on it of my old 93 Integra XSI 1.6 liters ram air system, but more of a what you call it? Like a fiberglass or carbon fiber custom version of it. Okay, so the idea was hook up a cone air filter to get more flow than the K&N panel air filter, but you would still need a gravity powered and thrust vector vane guided directionator. Yeah, let's call that a directionator. It's the official word for that right there, the directionator. Sounds like a guy from the 80s trying to do a new dance that nobody caught on with. Everybody do the directionator. No, get on the Pizza Hut commercial where you belong. Anyways, I need your stuffed crust, baby, tonight. Okay, I don't know why I'm getting musical with this video. I didn't mean to do that. I'm sorry. I apologize. So anyways, like a motorcycle air filter right there. And like I've said before, I had to reinforce this guy over and over again. I had to make it heavier and heavier because it kept on getting sucked all the way up into this. Mine was actually facing back here, and I had the filter over there on a radiator hose because the stock EGR thing kind of sat like that. But anyways, it used to get sucked into there and then back up into the hose. And like, I'd have to pull it out. I eventually got rid of the wax paper, I think, and I just layer over another layer of aluminum tape, or another layer of duct tape, and then some more aluminum tape. Like, just kept on making this thicker and thicker, and the air just kept on, you know what? I mean, it worked every time. So, basically, post air filter, where it counts, it would be sucking in a little bit more air this way. So, you know, this is running a vacuum, and it's trying to choke itself on your cone, on your air filter right there. And you're just, you know, adding some more surface area to this air filter, basically. Until the ram air kicks on. At which point, let me see if I can get through this before I run out of space. Atmosphere regular pressure, okay? What your base horsepower is rated at is that right there. Okay? But when traveling forward, you measure PSI relative to wind speed at approximately, and this is by no means scientifically accurate. This is basically a generalized formula to get like about what the air pressure would be, average atmosphere temperature, pressure, that kind of thing, you know? So what you do is you take your miles per hour squared times 0.0027, and that gives you your pounds per square feet. So at 20 miles per hour, I would be at 1 pound per square feet. Okay? But we need to convert that to inches to be useful for mapping purposes. Okay, I don't know why I used a dollar sign right there. So at 30 miles per hour, it would be 2.43 pounds per square feet. That'd be 0.1 psi, 7% increase from 14.7 psi. So you might get 201 horsepower if you started with 200. Might get a whole whopping gain of 1.4 horsepower at 30 miles per hour. But then you go to 60 miles an hour, it's 9.72 pounds per square foot. That converts to 8